I gave you my heart.
Hello guys, welcome to the Pelaez family. Today we're going to do white balls, fish. Why? Fish balls. I'm sorry. Blood the patiently. So this is what we're going to cook today. Well, now I put the fish ball, little balls right here, and we almost going to get no light. No, it's not that, honey. But yeah, it's right there. So we're going to wait like 5 minutes. Well, guys, this is the fish balls.
Oh, can you show
I
it
put
to us,
some sazon on it and bamboo noodles. Good. Don't forget to subscribe to the Pelaez family. Give us thumbs up. And those people that they watch my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.
I gave you my heart.